Hey guys, the next feature we're going to be looking at in the Mobimatic App Builder is the Contacts feature. This is where you put in your contact details into your app, or your client's contact details onto the app, so that their users, clients, whoever can find them easily. So it's simple and straightforward. You can change the icon, you can change the name of the feature if you like, you can activate, deactivate it, and then you just fill in the details that you want them to see. So you can have your company name or your app name or whatever in there. You can insert a cover image. You can insert a phone number, address, zip code, city, country, description. You can insert email addresses, websites, Facebook and Twitter, and as you insert everything, it will just show up on the right over there. So there's our awesome app and the image that we inserted. Obviously, because I've set up nothing else shows, but this is pretty simple and straightforward. So this is the Contacts feature, really easy to set up and probably a good idea in every app that you create. Cheers, see you in the next video.